Ready to flip the script and profit when the crypto market dips? Let's dive straight into the question on every advanced trader's mind: can you actually short Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos on Coinbase? The short answer, with a slight twist, is it's complicated. Coinbase, in its standard form, doesn't offer direct short selling. This means you can't simply open a position and profit from a price decrease like you might with stocks. However, Coinbase offers advanced trade, which provides margin trading capabilities while not a direct short. Margin trading lets you borrow funds to increase your trading position. If you believe the price of a crypto will drop, you can borrow funds to sell it if the price does drop. You can then repurchase it at a lower price, return the borrowed funds, and keep the difference as profit, less fees and interest. Now, before you jump in, a massive word of caution: this is high-risk trading. Margin trading amplifies both your profits and your losses. If the market moves against you, you could face a margin call, where you're forced to deposit more funds, or even liquidation, where Coinbase automatically closes your position, potentially wiping out your investment. Therefore, solid risk management is absolutely crucial. This includes using stop-loss orders to automatically limit potential losses, carefully calculating your position size, and understanding the fees and interest associated with margin trading. Advanced traders employ various strategies when using margin. Some use it for hedging, protecting their existing crypto holdings from potential downturns. Others use technical analysis to identify overbought conditions where a price correction is likely, presenting a potential shorting opportunity. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before trading. Is short selling via margin the right move for you? Weigh the potential rewards against the inherent dangers and trade responsibly. Good luck out there.